Welcome back. My movie. Okay, my movie. Ali. Money, bolly. Kali, lori. Money, Ali. Welcome back. Okay, guys. Okay. I know. Create a video.
Nagtunay pong nakakakulo ng dugo. Kung nakita ko po ito, kasi atin po yung lugar eh. Atin po yung lugar. Dito po sa hearing natin ngayon, napakalaga po issue ng West Philippine Sea. Because what I fear, Commodore, is due to the fake news, this might lead to Filipinos being misguided when it comes to properly understanding the issue. Yes, sir. I definitely agree with you, sir, that we need to address fake news and misinformation. Dahil kung tataas po ang bilang ng mga fake news and misinformation na yan, ang mga sa West Philippine
Grace.
sa site ang paghihirap ng country sa Philippines at ng Philippine Coast Guard ay tinataya po nila ang buhay nila para po sa bansa.
Great.
So sa isang bagay,
Great.
we can agree with you na ito maaaring isang strategiya ito na ginagamit ng isang banyaga laban sa Pilipinas para magkaroon ng confusion sa ating mamamayan sa paglalaan sa fake news laban sa Pilipinas sa usapin ng West Philippine Sea. Yes, sir, I definitely agree with you, sir, that most likely this is a state-sponsored disinformation na para hindi ba yung pagkakaisa ng ating bansa pagdating sa pagtubig sa issue ng West Philippines. Okay, thank you very much. Now, for vloggers, Mr. Chairman, can I get the show of hands kung sino po sila nandito ngayon?
Actually, we proceed with that. Proceed with the social media personality that was mentioned by Commodore
Okay.
Gabriela, George Paglinara, is here. Do you know where George Paglinara is? Oh, yeah. If you have any questions. He was mentioned by Commodore Gabriela.
So anyway, Mr. Chair, I just wanted to ask first. I don't have any particular questions to Mr. George. Yung gusto ko lang malaman yung vloggers na nandito ngayon, makataas na ulit yung kamay. Di ko kasi kayo kilala isa-isa eh. Kanina, susubaybayan po natin ang hearing. Makikita po natin na napakahalaga po ng papel na ginagawa ninyo sa paglaganap ng balita sa mga pangyayari sa ating bansa. And in a certain way and in a certain form, you influence the manner of thinking of certain Filipinos. No? And I'm sure you agree with me that when I say the Philippines is a sovereign country. Now, I just want to find out from the vloggers present, do you condemn what China is doing in the West Philippines? Yes or no? Can you raise your hand, please? Both of you? Both of you? Yung mga nasa dulo, Korea, malabo kasi yung mata ko. Are those vloggers as well at the end? information tungkol sa lumalabas patungkol sa usapin ng West Philippine Sea. What further updates?
Yes, sir. Just like what we mentioned a while ago. Second, Pangatlo, Pilipinas ang nandun sa West Philippine Sea. Ang apat, ito ay walang hindi ito priority ng ordinary Pilipino. At panglima, ang citizen person natin are actually receiving pride from the government and even the U.S. government.
Okay. So, is Mr. Mark Lopez present? Comsec, can we check if Mr. Mark Lopez is present? Because I remember in our last hearing, he was very opinionated about this issue. Comsec? So, since he's not present, siguro this is sure my questions for him when he decides to present himself. For the vloggers, hindi na tayo. Kayo naman, inamin niyo rin na siguro ay mapakiusap ko na lang sa inyo sa pamamagitan ng boses ninyo at sa pamamagitan ng kakayaan ninyo. Baka pwede nyo lang supportan ang Pilipinas. Pwede nyo supportahan ang ating pamahalaan. Pwede nyo pakita sa pamamagitan ninyo na maski na naman ang hindi natin pinagkakasunduan, Pilipino at kung Pilipino pa rin ang nakakalaylay sa ating lahat. At yun po ay dapat pinaglalaban natin. I think for our forces right now, it's very important that we show that the country is in full support in protecting the rights and the sovereignty of our country. That's all, Mr. Chairman. That's the only questions I have for Popular Tayera. And baka pwede pong umabot ng isang pag-iusap. Alam mo, campaign period ngayon. Kami mga kandidato nakikiusap. Baka pwede po pag-iusap sa inyo. Sana maging boses din po kayo sa Twitter, sa Facebook, sa TikTok, kung ano mong medium ang ginagamit ninyo. Na let's support the Philippines and let's support our claim to the West Philippines. Maraming salamat.
Mr. Chair, yes, gusto ko lang po sabihin kay Commodore Tayer sa yung NBI mo because you mentioned these are dummy accounts, diba? Dummy accounts po ito.
Your
And you also mentioned that it's possible that they are being used by the Chinese, no? To speak against the West Philippine Sea. So, Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang po manifest dito, kung dami accounts yan, eh walang pinagkaibigan ng panahon ng ako. Yung mga pili, na meron ba yun? Ayun ba yun? Hindi nagpapakilala. Walang pinagkaibigan sa mga nakapili. Kaya yung mga vloggers natin dito, na mga nakapili, palagay ko merong kalalagyan din yan. Siguro yan, no? NBI. Pero hindi, ano? So, it may like that you could be able to really identify those mapping today. No, NBI. Kaya, no?
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor. As long as makompleto po natin yung mga verification. But still, we depend on the information na tayo bigay sa government as well as yung tayo bigay ng mga telco sa atin na information. Kasi ang point po natin dito for purposes of identifying attribution is that we could determine kung sino yung gumawa ng account. Yun po ang ating business po.
Well, the fact that
but
hindi po ito makapili at mga Pilipino po ito that they are appearing with us this today to be able to have a legislation finally to be able to put a stop to this fake news, especially to those people who are using dummy accounts. Finally put a stop to it, Mr. Chair. Yun lang po, gusto ko sabihin. Ito na. Ayun din sa inyo. Miss Chen, thank you. Andito po ba si Miss Joey Cruz?
Miss Joey Cruz, nandito mo ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Nasaan po siya? Nasaan po siya? Ayan. Gusto ko lang po na alam nyo, totoo lang. Marami po akong natatanggap na bashing eh. Hindi ko pinapansin. Hindi ko pinapansin yun. Tulad ni Kabayan. Hindi ako nai-insulto. Hindi ako nagpapagabang. Hindi ko pinapansin. Wala nang pinatahanan yun eh. Ano? Kaya hindi ko pinapansin yan. Alright. Ngayon, ang gusto ko lang po sabihin kay Miss Joey Cruz, in one of your vlogs in YouTube, you directed a statement sa akin. No? Akin mismo. Una-una, hindi naman kita kilala. Hindi naman kita kawan. Wala naman akong dalawang masama sa'yo. Tama ka ako, Mr. Chair. Meron po ba akong dalawang masama sa inyo?
There is no personal.
Kaya nga ka siya, Mr. Chair, sagutin mo lang ako. Meron po ba akong dalawang masama sa inyo?
No
Meron ba
personal.
wala?
None, Mr. None,
Ah,
Mr.
wala.
Chair.
Wala akong ginawang masama sa inyo, ha? Kaya patunayan niyo yan, ha? Pangalawa, hindi niyo ako kilala. Tama ba, Miss Joey Cruz? You do not know me personally.
Correct, Mr. Chair.
And Mr. Chair, I do not even know Miss Joey Cruz personally. Am I right?
Correct, Mr. Chair.
But, you made a statement against me. O ito, babasahin ko, ha? O, ang sabi mo, ganito, masweldohan ka ng taxpayer, gago. Tinawag mo ako. Tinawag mo ako, gago. O, bakit? Ano mo ginawa natin yun? Gusto ko tapos malaki.
Mr. Chair, it is already established that we do Mr. Chair, I think it is already established that we do not know each other personally. Therefore, the statement was said based in a not personal way, but it is an observation of
Mr. Chair, your observation is that I'm gago? Is that your observation?
This pertains to the function as I perceive it, Mr. Chair.
No, you public
Public action, Mr. Chair.
So you mean that is the public that is actually telling me that I'm gago?
No,
Is
Mr.
it
Chair.
you? Let me ask you, Mr. Chair, is it you?
Yes, Mr.
So
Chair.
you said that, right?
Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
This is your right to tell me that I'm gago.
Because I am a citizen.
What is your right to tell me I'm gago?
That is part of my freedom of speech, Mr.
Oh, is
Chair.
that right?
Yes, Mr.
So
Chair.
your freedom of speech is to tell a person that he is gago? Freedom of speech ba yan?
My freedom of speech, part of my freedom of speech is to react.
Ang galing mo, ito pa, sabi mo ha, in another post, ilusurahin mo. Pero, alam mo, kaya tayo meeting dito, parami na mention ko ito, no? Pero ito lang, hindi ko pinansin yan, matagal na yan eh. Di ba? Hindi ko pinansin yan, ito ha. Ang sabi mo, you know from Benny Abante, I can find all of this. Isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo. Is that still freedom of speech?
Mr. Chair, I am not very familiar
Yes or
with
no, Mr. Chair? Is that still using freedom of speech? When you said, isasampol ko ito sa pagmumukha mo.
Mr.
Is
Chair.
that freedom of speech?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganon. Oo. So, ibig sabihin, ganito, if I tell you right now, sasampalin kita, freedom of speech.
Yes, sir.
Oo, ang galing. Mahusay ko. Oo, ulitin ka. Oo, ano? Hindi ko nasabi ko, Mr. Chair. F-U-C-H-E-D. Prepare.
Mr. Chair, so that I can answer intelligently on the question
You
of,
can, Mr. Chair,
may I know
you can answer intelligently.
I cannot
What you
answer.
said here is not intelligent. Let me ask you, Mr. Chair. Nung sinabi mo, you know, Kong Abante, I can find all of this, isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo. Is that intelligent?
Mr. Chair, I cannot
Bro.
intelligently answer if I do not know when the post was posted. I think in a day
Yeah.
the post will be 50 posts in a day. I would like to understand,
It
Mr.
means,
Chair.
Mr. Chair, that you can post something today and you forget that tomorrow. Am I right?
That is correct, Mr. Chair. That's very likely.
A video.
So, nakiklaro ka, Mr. Chair. Ano yung isasampal mo sa pagmumukha ko?
That is why, Mr. Chair, for me to intelligently answer your question, I need to know when it was posted.
When this was said, so you will be able to know. Kaya, sinasakonfirm ko lang yung statement mo yan. So, is ibig sabihin, do you believe, hindi ko na sabihin ng freedom of speech. Do you believe that this falls under
No.
protected speech?
I'm so sorry, Mr. Chair. May you please
Do
repeat?
you believe that this falls under protected speech?
Mr. Chair, like I said earlier, I would like to know first the context of the post. But rest assured, Mr. Chair, that when I post in my platform, I make sure that it is a reaction of the news or public action. As a political observer, I always practice.
Ms. Cruz, is this a political statement? You were saying a political observer. Is this a political statement? Do you believe that using profanities, insults, and malicious accusations online represent fair and respectful, intelligent discourse?
I accept vicious imputation you said. I accept that. The rest that you said, yes, it is part of the healthy public discourse.
It is part of what? Is it Chair?
Healthy public discourse.
So therefore, pag pinanggit natin using profanities, insults, and malicious accusation, that is, ano tawag mo doon?
Discourse.
Discourse ba yun? Yung
Yes, Mr.
profanities,
Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
insults, and malicious statements, healthy discourse sa'yo yun.
Yes,
And
Mr.
that's the
Chair.
reason why, Mr. Chair, that we should now actually craft a legislation to put a stop to Miss Joey Cruz, who seemed to be intelligent, and a woman using profanities, malicious insults, saying it is healthy.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I stand by my statement. Everything you said, except the malicious implication, which I do not do, is part of a healthy public discourse. It is part of my freedom of speech. In fact, it is recognized under the Universal Declaration of Human Rights Act that I
It
should
is
be able
recognized
to
what?
express my opinion without
Miss
interference.
Joey Cruz, I am the chairman of the Committee on Human Rights, and this is not recognized. Profanities, insults, and malicious words are violation of human rights. You violated my human rights.
Mr. Chairman, ang gusto lang niya ay equal, sino po yung sa tabi ni Research Person?
Please identify yourself. Are you the lawyer?
Your Honor. Have you entered your appearance?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
So please be reminded that you can only give legal advice your time and you ask the chairman.
Yes, Your Honor.
You should not in the research person at the back. You are not allowed to sit. At the back, you sit at the back.
Yes,
Lawyers are not allowed to sit beside the research persons. And please be advised that as permission from the chairman.
yes,
Also sit at the back.
yes, Mr.
Do not sit beside the fire.
Rest assured that I'm only advising my client as to whether.
Ask the chairman the permission before you give advice.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Also sit at the back. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Attorney Pescoval, are you to, because Mr. Chair, I'm just starting like, we are still on the issue of, I would like to finish the issue on Tagala, then we can go back to your interpolation. Honorable Dionisio, are you still asking questions? You're done. Honorable Tagala, do you still have any statement to make?
Nothing more left.
Okay, we'll now proceed to the next item on the agenda. This is with regard to the issue on the social media
Mr.
personalities.
Chair, if there are no other congressmen that have questions for our resource person, Commodore Dariela, maybe we can excuse him because he has more important issues at stake sa national sovereignty. So, kung wala nang magtatanong sa kanya, baka pwede na po natin siya excuse sa hearing.
We will be excused since there are no more questions. And more on that, there are some resource persons here that I believe wala na mga question ng mga congressman. May I ask if AMLA resource persons are here, Attorney Alcon, Attorney Steve Alcon. From the members, do you have any questions to AMLA? There are none, so you are hereby excused. To Comelec, itaas pong kamay. To the members, do you have any questions with Comelec? None? You are also excused, all the resource persons in Comelec. Dun sa mga projects are already excused. Dito sa kay Nico David, Digital Marketing Association of the Philippines, I think you can stay put since we will be discussing next the social media personalities. Okay, we'll now proceed on social media influencers or personalities rather. May I request that all social media personalities take the microphone and introduce yourself one by one, starting to the nearest to the chairman.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. I am George Ahmed Paglinawan. I am a lawyer. I am not Adok Paglinawan, the one that was mentioned by Commodore Dariela. I believe there's another person who is named Adok Paglinawan, and I'm sure that is not me. Thank you.
Okay, next.
Yes, my name is Darwin Salcedo. My name is Richard Dilsongalapa. I'm a health pediatrician.
Next.
Mr. Chair, I'm Glenn Armstrong.
Chair.
In the 30th Congress.
Next, please.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair, and my name is Zane Batalla. I'm the person behind I Am Chanwing.
Yes.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. I am Manuel Mata Jr., also known as Kokoloko in social media. Kokoloko, Mr. Chair.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. I'm partner to the agent Jonathan Morales, the agent Kambayan. Sino yun, no? Vlogger also, Mr. Morales. Di ba resource person ka sa Senate, di ba?
Yes, sir. Wala po nung tinigil yung Pidaya Legs nag-resort na po ako doon sa...
Yung former PTA agent?
Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Vlogger ka na ngayon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
I'm Vivian Rodriguez, better known as Vivian Dallas. This is my screen name. I was not invited in this committee hearing, but I was mentioned last time, last hearing. So I'm here.
Anyway, this is a public meeting. Anyone is in welcome to attend the hearing. Next.
Good afternoon po, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, honorable members of the committees. My name is Claudio Ganya. I'm a retired professor. I'm not express my opinions in social media.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Ako si Elias San Fernando po, sa pagbunggagawa komunista bilang sa TikTok at Facebook bilang Eli San Fernando.
Next, please.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. My name is Maria Florida Princess Duque, or better known as Douglas Duque. I am now a student.
Next, please.
Good afternoon, Mr. Speaker. I'm Mr. Chair. Sorry. I'm Dr. Ethel Pineda Garcia.
Okay. I think there are some vacant seats. Pwede na po kung kunin yan. Yes.
I'm Trixie Cruz Angeles. I'm a lawyer.
Next, please.
May I continue, Mr. Chair?
Wait, meron pa yata dito. So, kompleto na po ba ang mga social media personalities? Who is Vicente Cunanan? You're also a social media personality? Okay, so you can proceed with your interpellation.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Again, Ms. Cruz, do you believe that freedom of expression is not absolute?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You do. I'd like to ask the other bloggers that they also believe that. Do you also believe that?
Okay.
Sir, now, there's always a limitation.
Ms. Cruz said, yung kanyang statement sa YouTube, no? Na profanities, insults, malicious is a healthy discourse. Gusto ko profanities, insults, and malicious accusations is a healthy discourse and a part of the freedom of expression. And we would like to ask every blogger to answer me yes or no if they believe in that.
Mr. Chair, can I be recognized? Mr. Chair, no other than the highest court of the land has repeatedly said na hindi po masama ang pagmumura, lalong-lalo na sa mga pampublikong opisyal, especially kung ang pinatutungkulan po ay yung official functions nila, not the person, but their official functions, Mr. Chair. So yun po ang paninindigan, lalong-lalo na po namin bilang mga manggagawa, dahil kahit meron pong TikTok, Facebook, o social media, sa komunidad po, yan ang lingwahe ng mga manggagawa at ordinaryong Pilipino na nagagalit. Hindi po kasalanan ng mga blogger o ng mga gumagamit ng Facebook, TikTok, X o kung ano pa mang social media platform.
ordinaryong Pilipino na nagagalit.
Elijah, hindi ko binabagot yung lingwahe ng ordinaryong Pilipino. Hindi ka ordinaryong Pilipino.
Mr. Chair,
Tatandali lang. Kasalala pa ako eh. Alright. Hindi ka ordinaryong Pilipino. Tama mali.
ordinaryong Pilipino ako, Mr.
Hindi.
Chair.
Ordinaryong Pilipino, vlogger ka eh.
No, ay ma. Manggagawa ako, Mr. Chair.
Lahat pa ng ordinaryong Pilipino, vlogger.